Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome into the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. I am Casey, the Rockstarflipper. Thank you for joining me on a Monday. It's a gorgeous Monday here in Florida. One week till eBay open. Can't wait to see and meet all of you out in Las Vegas, Mandalay Bay. Make sure you're there. If you're not going to be there, I'm sorry to miss you out. News from eBay today in my inbox, my messages. This came through right around, looks like actually last night. This came through on July 15th at like 10:36 p.m. That may have been Pacific time, so I'm like 1:30 in the morning. But eBay is now messaging to get set up for the new payment processor. This is Adyen. And so this is in preparation for getting rid of PayPal. And I think it's best if I just show you guys the message on my computer with the sign me up, and then they have a frequently asked question section that I want to go over, and I want to prepare you guys for this. So some of you probably have this email, this message, you may have read it. Some of you didn't, because they're going to do it in waves. Obviously, they're send me everything first. I don't even want it necessarily first, but thank you, eBay, for sending this. So let's go over to my screen. Let's take some screen shares. Let's look through the frequently asked questions. Let's get an idea of how it's going to work. This says that it's going to start in September. They want me to click it now. So August to September, less than 2 months. So let's check it out. And let's see how you guys feel about this new non-PayPal payment system coming to eBay sooner than we are probably ready for it. Okay, so here is the email that eBay sent to me today. It says, sell and get paid entirely on eBay. You're invited this September to be one of the first to benefit from the new payment experience. It has a count me in button, and then it has some frequently asked questions, which I'm going to go over. So September 2018. So let's go ahead and close that message out. I clicked the count me in button, and it's just a confirmation. It says you will be among the first to benefit from the new way to sell and get paid on eBay, and you will receive your official invite in September. We'll redirect you to the quick and easy sign up process, and then it has to learn more about managing payments on eBay. Thank you for being a part of the eBay seller community. So when you press the frequently asked question or the learn more button, you're brought over to this page that says, tell us what you want to learn about managing payments on eBay. This will be a multi-year journey, and you've been invited to participate in the initial launch this fall. We want to keep you informed of our plans to manage payments. Before you sign up for managed payments, you may have questions. Here are answers to questions that may be on your mind. What are the key benefits? One place to sell and get paid. Manage all your selling and payment needs from within your eBay account. That's good. We don't have to go over to PayPal, so that's a positive. Simpler bills, all your fees in one place on your eBay bill. So you're still going to get the same eBay bill, you just won't have PayPal fees. So that's a positive as well. We're getting rid of the PayPal bill, but we are still going to have some transaction fees, just like a credit card processor. Hopefully it's cheaper, it's supposed to be, so that will be a plus. Consolidated pricing, all your fees in one place on one bill, plus special pricing for early opt-in. Okay, so if I get even better special pricing, that's great. Daily payouts, so directly to your bank account. No need to transfer funds between accounts. PayPal to your bank. Well, it's kind of the same. You're still transferring money from eBay to your bank versus PayPal to your bank. But if they do it every single day, that's similar to Poshmark. That's really good. The Amazon 14-day wait period is what I think is garbage. Amazon sits and gets to make money off of your money and interest. If eBay is going to allow me to every single day just send the money to my bank, that's awesome. The only downside is with PayPal and having a debit card, I can literally go out and use that debit card the minute something sells. So maybe eBay will come up with like an eBay debit card. That would be pretty cool. We'll have to see. New ways for buyers to pay, such as Apple Pay. That's a positive. Maybe help with selling. Better protection. So eBay says their claim and chargeback seller protections are going to be, as good as what PayPal was. That is yet to be seen. More control. Accept your exclusive invitation now and get a head start on adapting your business. So that really doesn't do anything for us. What will the eBay fees be? In September 2018, you'll receive an invitation to participate in our limited initial launch. To access the offer, you'll be prompted to sign in, and you'll get the information like fees and additionally frequently asked questions. Now, we went over what the fees are supposed to be like through Adyen a couple months ago, but we'll have to see if they've updated those or adjusted them in any way. If you didn't see the initial video about Adyen, I'll link it down below. Make sure you check it out. Give you a little bit of a heads up of what all of this means. How do you access your funds? All cleared funds will generally be paid in a daily batch directly to your bank account, regardless of how your buyer chooses to pay. From your bank account, you, of course, get your funds directly with no need to transfer funds between accounts. And they're looking at working with their financial partners to enable even more options for speedy access to your earnings. Hopefully that means some sort of an eBay debit card. So keep our eyes open for that. What do you have to do to sign up? You'll just click that button, of course, and that's pretty much it. After you enter a few personal details, your preferred bank account, social security number, verify identity, they'll manage the rest. They'll automatically update your existing account and listings and transfer your existing listings to the new payment model. That's very good. For new listings, we'll ask you to use Seller Hub's listing page and any existing listings APIs that you use. Still working on additional details, and then they ask for a little survey of what is most important to you and then any other feedback, and I can send it. Haven't done this yet. I will do this in a few minutes, but that is pretty much the beginnings of eBay getting rid of PayPal. So what do you guys think of this? How do you feel about this? How do you feel about compared to like Poshmark's transfer system or, the Amazon hold? Give me your opinions about this. Use the comment section below. And as this gets closer, we're less than 2 months out, I will update you more. Once I get accepted in this program and it transfers over, I will absolutely do a video about that. So keep an eye out for that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn your notifications on so you don't miss that video when it comes. And until then, I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks so much for the subscribers. Thanks so much for all of the likes and all the new viewers. And I will see you real soon. Have a wonderful night. Bye, guys.